after I learned how to make this recipe, I really only make potatoes like this now. Let's start our recipe by taking some potatoes and we're going to cut them in half like this. Altogether, I'm using 9 potatoes today. But of course, feel free to increase or decrease the quantity of potatoes. Just add the amount of potatoes that will serve the number of people you're cooking for. All right, once our potatoes are all sliced up, it's time to cook. Add them all into a pot. Once all your potato pieces are added in, let's cover with boiling water. We're also going to need a tablespoon of salt. And we're going to cook these potatoes for 20 minutes. All right, after cooking the potatoes, turn off the heat and just drain that water. In a hot pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Melt that butter well in your pan. When it's fully melted, add in your cooked potatoes. Just place them side by side, just like this. Now, if you like potatoes, I know you're going to love this recipe. It's so tasty. It just takes a few minutes to make a perfect dish. Put all the potatoes in your pan. And once these have been sitting here and frying for a few minutes, we can go ahead and flip them over to fry the other side. These potatoes are so soft but so crispy on the outside. Flip them carefully, take your time. This is the perfect point for our potatoes here. Now let's season these. I'm going to go in with some black pepper. Of course, the quantity is optional, adjust to your taste. Let's also add a tablespoon of salt. And I'm going to add paprika today because it adds such a beautiful color. Let's give that another mix. This recipe is really good, definitely worth trying at home. If you want to make a really special lunch, you got to try this recipe. We're going to fry these potatoes for a few minutes. Stir them well to make sure they're all coated in that delicious seasoning. At this point, we're going to add 3 chopped garlic cloves. Garlic, of course, adds so much delicious flavor to our recipes. We're also going to need the juice of half a lemon. Squeeze it well. You can just use your hands for this part. And then I'm also going to add some parsley, not only for flavor, but it just adds a beautiful color to this recipe. And I'm already salivating because it smells so incredible. These potatoes are crispy and they're so well seasoned. I just love them. The flavors are sensational, really. All right, after stirring and cooking, our recipe is ready to go. Now, all we have to do is serve this on a plate. I'm going to accompany this with some meat and rice, but if you prefer, you can actually top these with some grated Parmesan cheese, and that would be so good. But of course, serve these however you want to. I love the taste of this recipe. It's time to dig in and give these a try. Make these at home. I know you won't regret it. Look how crispy they are, but so soft at the same time. Enjoy!